Have you ever wondered why we age? It's one of those universal mysteries that every human experiences, yet it's still shrouded in a bit of mystery. Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of biological aging to uncover some of the reasons behind it. First, let's talk about cells. Our bodies are made up of trillions of cells. Each cell has a specific lifespan and can only divide a limited number of times. This limit is known as the Hayflick limit. After a certain number of divisions, cells enter a state called senescence, where they stop dividing but don't die off immediately. This buildup of senescent cells is one of the factors that contribute to the aging process. Now, a key player in this process is our DNA. Each time a cell divides, a small part of the DNA sequence at the end of our chromosomes called telomeres gets a little shorter. Think of telomeres as the protective caps on the ends of shoelaces. Over time, these caps wear down, and eventually, they can't protect our DNA anymore. When telomeres become too short, the cell can no longer divide properly, leading to aging and cell death. Another fascinating aspect is oxidative stress. This occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals, which are unstable molecules, and antioxidants in your body. Free radicals can damage cells, proteins, and DNA, leading to aging and diseases. Antioxidants help neutralize these free radicals. But as we age, this balance becomes harder to maintain. Now, let's not forget about our mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells. They produce the energy needed for cellular functions, but also generate free radicals as a byproduct. Over time, mitochondrial DNA can get damaged, affecting their efficiency and contributing to the aging process. Another fascinating theory is the role of genetics. Our genes play a significant role in how we age. Some people have genetic mutations that make them more resistant to the effects of aging, while others might be more susceptible to age-related diseases. And then there's the environmental and lifestyle factors. Things like diet, exercise, exposure to toxins, and stress levels can all accelerate the aging process. A healthy lifestyle can mitigate some of these effects, but it can't stop aging entirely. So, why do we age? Each stage of life is marked by unique physical, emotional, and psychological changes. Understanding these stages can give us a comprehensive view of the human life cycle. Let's start with infancy. This is the period from birth to about 2 years old. During this stage, the body undergoes rapid growth and development. Infants learn to crawl, walk, and begin to speak. Their brains form critical connections that lay the foundation for future learning and development. Emotional bonds, particularly with primary caregivers, are crucial during this time. Next, we move into childhood, which spans from age 2 to about 12. This stage is characterized by continued physical growth and significant cognitive development. Children learn to read, write, and develop social skills. It's a time of exploration and learning, where play is a vital part of their development. Emotional regulation and the formation of friendships become increasingly important. Adolescence follows, typically from ages 12 to 18. This period is marked by puberty and the transition from childhood to adulthood. Adolescents experience rapid physical changes and develop a stronger sense of identity. It's a time of emotional highs and lows, as they navigate independence, peer relationships, and academic pressures. Cognitive abilities continue to mature, allowing for more complex thinking and problem-solving. Adulthood can be divided into early, middle, and late adulthood. Early adulthood from age 18 to about 35 is often a time of establishing careers, forming romantic relationships, and possibly starting families. Physical peak is reached, but subtle signs of aging may begin to appear. Emotional and psychological development focuses on building a stable life and achieving personal goals. Middle adulthood, from 35 to about 60, involves maintaining established careers and relationships, while also facing the reality of aging. Physical changes become more noticeable, and people often reflect on their life achievements and future goals. It's a time of potential midlife crisis, but also of personal growth and fulfillment. Finally, we reach old age, typically considered to begin around 65. This stage is marked by retirement, potential health challenges, and a reflection on life lived. Emotional well-being can vary greatly, influenced by physical health, social connections, and a sense of purpose. Cognitive abilities might decline, but wisdom and life experience are significant strengths. Each stage of life brings its own set of challenges and rewards. After delving into the stages of life, it's time to explore a crucial element that profoundly shapes every phase of our journey: love. Love is a fundamental human experience that impacts us in countless ways, from emotional support to personal growth and even our overall well-being. Love provides a sense of belonging and connection. Whether it's the unconditional love from family, the deep bonds of friendship, or the romantic love that forms lifelong partnerships, love is the glue that holds our relationships together. It fosters empathy and compassion, allowing us to build strong, supportive communities. Emotionally, love acts as a buffer against stress and anxiety. Knowing that someone cares for us can significantly improve our mental health. Studies have shown that people who experience love and affection are less likely to suffer from depression, and they recover more quickly from illnesses. The physical benefits of love are also remarkable. It can lower blood pressure, boost the immune system, and even contribute to a longer life. But love isn't just about receiving, it's also about giving. Acts of love and kindness, whether big or small, can bring immense joy and fulfillment. They create a ripple effect, spreading positivity and enhancing the lives of others. In our quest for a fulfilling life, love is essential. It's essential to remember that life itself is a beautiful journey filled with moments of joy, love, and growth. Embrace every moment, cherish your loved ones, and find beauty in the simple things. Every day presents a new opportunity to create wonderful memories and live life to the fullest. It's the small, seemingly mundane moments that often hold the most profound beauty. A morning cup of coffee, a walk in the park, a heartfelt conversation with a friend. These are the threads that weave the rich tapestry of our lives. By appreciating these simple pleasures, we can cultivate a deeper sense of gratitude and contentment. Take a moment each day to pause and reflect on the things that bring you joy. It could be the warmth of the sun on your face, the sound of laughter, or the comfort of a loved one's embrace. Remember, life is not just about the big milestones, but also about the everyday experiences that shape who we are. By embracing life's beauty, we can find joy even in the ordinary and make each day a meaningful part of our journey.